Chew. 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 Rough allergy day again. I've just been so itchy. My nose, it's been tickling so much. All day. I can't help but sneeze and sneeze. Chew. 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 I've just been so sneezy this last few weeks. I don't know what's happening. I just can't stop every day. Chew. I don't know what's happening. I wake up and I instantly start sneezing up a storm. I don't know if it's dust or something else. But I already cleaned my room and the house so many times. It doesn't seem to help. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm gonna sneeze. Chew. 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 Oh, chew. 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 Oh my God, guys, I don't know. I don't know what else to do. I've done everything but my nose. It just won't quit. I can't stop sneezing. I can't stop sneezing. I can't. I can't. Phew. Phew. I think I'm gonna take a walk to see if they stop with some fresh air. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what else to do. I don't know what else to do. Oh my God. Phew. I'm gonna take a walk to see if the sneezes stop. I can't deal with so much sneezing. Oh my God, not today, not today. I'm gonna go meet with some friends in a few minutes. I can't be sneezing like this. Phew. Please stop sneezing.